This is the question of HCF and LCM asked in UPSC CSAT paper of 2022. So what is the smallest number greater than 1000 that when divided by any one of the number 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 leaves a remainder of 3. So this is a question type we find in HCF and LCM, right? So how we solve these kind of question? In these kind of questions, we have to find a number which is divisible by all these numbers, right? So what we have to find? We have to find LCM, right? So we have to find the LCM of 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, right? So there are many ways to find the LCM. I'm using the factor method. Let's find the factor of 6. So it will be 2 into 3, and the factor of 9 will be 3 square, and the factor of 12 will be 2 square into 3, and the factor of 15 will be 3 into 5, and the factor of 18 will be 2 into 3 square. So now we will take the maximum power of each one, right? So 2 has maximum power square, and 3 has 2 power, and the 5 has single power, right? So the LCM of these number is 4 into 9 into 5 is equal to 180. So 180 is a number which is divisible by all these numbers, right? But we have to find the number near 1000, right? So it should be greater than 1000. So what we have to do? We will divide 1000 by 180, right? So it will go 5 times, right? So it is 900. So what is remaining? 100. Now we can't divide 100 by 180, right? Because here what is less? 80 is less. If we will add 80 in this one, we can divide this with 180, right? So the number would be 1000 plus how much is needed to divide this number? 80. There is a deficiency of 80. That's why we are not able to divide it further, right? So the number would be 1080. So 1080 is a number near 1000 which is exactly divisible by these numbers. But the question is asking that it leaves a remainder of 3. So the question asking for a number where if we divide the number with these numbers, so there will always be a remainder of 3. So it's just simple. We have to add 3 in this. So it will become 1083. So the answer is option C. So this is our answer. Second method you can use in the exam is you can solve it from here through options, right? He's saying that remainder will remain 3. So what we have to do? We will deduct this 3 from these. So we will deduct 3 from this. So the number will be 1060. Now we have to try that whether this number is divisible by all these number or not, right? Similarly, we can do for option B, C and D. So there will be option C which is following all this, right? Because we find from this first method that the answer is 1.